This is my spring 2021 cool season garden. I started these seeds in the house probably about 6 weeks ago, and it's doing really well. I start them from seed in the paper cups, and then I transplant them to the 4-inchers over there. And then once they start doing well in the 4-inchers and growing, and I know that they can take it outside in the bigger environment, in the bigger pot, then I put them in here. So I have so many plants in here. The larger ones I've started from seed in the house, but these smaller ones I started, here's some peas right here, and I think this is more arugula coming up. I just started right here. Here's some onions, some little onions coming right up. I just poked them right in there. So when I planted these, I also went ahead and dropped some more seeds in. Now, as these things grow and get bigger, I will thin them out. I'll thin out the ones that are crowding other ones or that are not doing as well, and so then I can make more space. But then also I can put more smaller plants in there. Like if I harvest something and it's completely done, then I can fill that spot with something else from a little paper cup that I'm growing inside, or I could just poke some seeds down in there. So very productive garden. If you only have space, I guess just like a 21 or 22 inch pot, I put in a few stakes for the little pea plants. Look, the tendrils are already reaching out. It's gonna climb right up there and give me some nice peas, hopefully before it gets too hot. And there you go. And then there's another one pot over there that I'm gonna start a warm season in, because they're gonna overlap. And so I have my cool season and I'm gonna start the warm season.